Hey besties, welcome back to my channel, girl. If you're new here, my name is Ash. I do lifestyle beauty content. But before we start, say hey girl. And as y'all can tell, girl, we are doing my room tour. Y'all have been asking me for days for this like video, and of course I got your bestie, so let's get into it. So bestie, so this is my door. It says Big Booty Boulevard. Then we got my little Buc-ee's thing and my little Destin, Florida and Pensacola, Florida. Besties, right here we have my like white robe, we got my backpack, we got my white hoodie, and we got my fanny pack and some more like hoodies. As y'all can tell, I love my hoodies. Now this is where I keep like, these came from Dollar Tree, bestie, for like $1, and so like they'll like last like longer, bestie. And then right here, bestie, we got where I keep my like keys and like my Germix thingy at. So this is my Germix thingy, girl, that I got from Bath and Body Works. It's 1,000 wishes cause wet. Mirror came from $5, and below, girl, it was $5, and it's pink, bestie. And then right here, bestie, we got, now bestie, these pictures frame came from Target for $5, bestie, and everything will always be linked down in the description box below, bestie. But these pictures came from Amazon, and the frames came from Target for $5. And then here's another one, bestie. It's just pink because like y'all know my room theme is pink. And right here we got my pink flower thing. This came from Temu for like $3, and this came from Temu for like $3. And then we got this duck that I won at Dave and Buster's. I like it because it's pink. I'm going to put this inside of my car. And then we got my 2020 because they had it on sale. It's like when you join like Amazon Music, and you got like a like free Alexa. So yeah. So, Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 11:10 a.m.
And then we got my Bath and Body Works Germans, girl. Y'all know I'm a German folks, so I keep saying Germans on me, girl. And then right now we got my headband for like when I like wash my face. And these plants, they're pink and white. As y'all can see, these came from Amazon for like $10, basically. We got my dress now. We got my essential oil diffuser, y'all. Y'all know I love my essential oil diffuser, girl. And the scents we got is sweet orange, patatucci, and peppermint, bestie. And then, bestie, right here we keep all my like night clothes and my bonnet and my sponge to like sponge my hair, bestie. And down here I keep my like underwear and socks, bestie. And down here, bestie, we had all my swim trunks and shorts. So we got like my just like shorts, and then we got my like swim trunks. So fun fact, bestie, I was crossing over, bestie, and I forgot to close this, so now it doesn't go in all the way, bestie. So yeah. And bestie, right here, girl, we keep all my body creams and lotion, girl. We got my body creams, we got my body butters, we got my body oils, shimmer spray, and my feet stuff, and my pimple patches, bestie. And then in this drawer, bestie, we have all my body lotions and deodorants and all that type of stuff. See, in this drawer, girl, we have all my glasses, we got my necklace and my jewelry and some more bracelets and some more glasses, bestie. Another cute like picture, bestie. As y'all can tell, like my like room theme is pink and white because those are my favorite colors, bestie. Right here we keep my lamp right here. So bestie, I don't know bestie, I don't know if I told y'all, bestie, but my lights actually turn on from my phone, bestie. See, as y'all can tell, my lights turn on from my phone, and then I can turn it off with my phone. See, and they turn off, bestie. Now, them lights, I got them from for Christmas, but they're like the weirdest, like, smart lights, bestie. And then right here, girl, we have my TV. I got my TV mounted, girl. If you don't have your TV mounted, and it's like big, but like not that big, girly, get as much stuff on your wall as possible. So my mama friend like mounted my TV, which thank God for him. Then right here we got my Xbox. Now a lot of y'all know I really don't play games, but the only game that I peripheral play is Grand Theft Auto Online. Now my LED lights, bitch, now I love these now. I had like a different brand, but those stopped working, which thank God, bestie. These LED lights came from like Amazon for $10, and they turn on and off from my phone. So as y'all can see, bestie, I'm gonna turn them off. And look, they're off, right? And then I turn them on. And color option, I keep mine on like this hot pink, bestie. As y'all can see, I keep mine on like this dark pink. But look how cool that is. And these lights are only $10. And they change colors by your phone, bestie, which is like amazing, bestie. And now this Xbox mount came from like Amazon. And then like to hide like my like cords and stuff from like Amazon for like $10. And it's to like hide my cords and stuff, bestie. Then with my bench, this my favorite thing in our room. So this, I got this for like Christmas, bestie. So let's get to it. So right here, I keep my like Victoria's Secret and pink body sprays, bestie. As y'all can see, y'all know I love my Victoria's Secret and pink, girly. And then down here, we keep like my perfume oil and my nail polish. Cause y'all know I love a good clear coat on the side of my nails. So we got my clear nail polish. And this one is like a like a glazed effect, bestie. This is such a pretty color, bestie. And then this pink thing came from Temu for like $1, bestie. And y'all know like my job is like content stuff, so this came from like Amazon for like $10. And when I'm like editing and like doing stuff, I put my phone right there, bestie, and it's like so cute and so adorable, bestie. And then bestie, we have my little MacBook, bestie, and then we right here, bestie, I love this down because like y'all know like my job is content stuff, so I have to charge stuff content, so we keep my laptop charger and like my phone charger, bestie. And right here, bestie, y'all know I'm a germaphobe, bestie, so great German, and then another Bath and Body Works German mix, bestie, right there. And then we got my little pink flower, which these flowers came in a 3-pack from Temu for like $5, bestie, and they last. And then basically right here we got my we got some Bath and Body Works candle. We got my white born strawberry pound cake candle, and we got my raspberry and with vanilla candle, bestie. And like I said, bestie, y'all know I'm a Germaphobe, so we got some more Germans right there, bestie. And bestie, down here, bestie, we keep like my like hair products and stuff. We keep my face lotion, skincare fan. And we keep some more spray, like Germans, bestie. And bestie, my eyes, they were like water, so sometimes eye drops, bestie. Teeth whitening, peeing down, bestie. And then y'all know I love my Bath and Body Works hand cream, so we keep my Bath and Body Works hand cream, bestie. These came from Dollar Tree for like $1, bestie. And bestie, my favorite thing, which is where I keep all my, now bestie, do not mind it, bestie, because I have been like trying out so many lip products for y'all, bestie, but here's all my lip stuff, bestie. Well, we got the Boston Cosmetics, man, like we have all my lip stuff, bestie. And bestie, so fun fact, bestie, so the chair that came with this like vanity is inside of my closet, which like you'll see later, bestie. But this came from Amazon for $30, bestie. I love it down. As y'all see, I keep like my Xbox controller, my like speaker, my like games and stuff down there. Like this is where I keep all my like stuff, bestie. If you need like more storage like me, bestie, this is so cute. And for only $30, bestie, this is the most comfortable chair, like manifestation board right here, bestie. Now on to the bed, bestie. Now this blanket I got from Christmas from my mama. It has my name because like my mama knows like my favorite color is pink and white, so she got me a white blanket, pink, which I love, bestie. Now let's get into the bed. So this comfort set will be linked down in the description box below, but I got this from like Amazon for like $30, bestie. And the flower pillow came from Temu for like $2, bestie. Now these are pink and white flower. These came in like a 12-pack from like Amazon for like $20, bestie. And these pictures came, like I said, Amazon, and the frames came from Target for like $5. Now, bestie, now my bed is white. It came online, bestie. I had to buy this bed online. It took about like 2 weeks to come, bestie. So yeah. And right here, bestie, we keep my sleep bag, because y'all know I cannot sleep unlike unless it's dark and cold. So this came from like TJ Maxx for like $5. Mirror, this came from Walmart for like a long time ago for like $8, bestie. And right here, bestie, I know my favorite color is pink. I know we have to stay hydrated, girl, so I keep my pink hydro flask filled up with water in there, bestie. So yeah, bestie, like I said, y'all know I get hot easily, so I keep my fan right here by me, y'all. And then this is my lamp that came from Amazon for like $20. I love it because it has like a little plug and it's magnetic, so I keep my watch charger there, bestie. So yeah, bestie, right here we keep my like Apple Watch there, bestie. So yeah, and then this drawer, bestie, we keep my like remote controls. We got some gum, some more Bath and Body Works German, because y'all know I'm a germaphobe. AirPods right there, so yeah. And right here we just have some random like the Polaroids and the lights thing, but I don't gotta use that because I like use like my phone. So yeah, bestie. And then now here, bestie, I just cleaned this like yesterday. It's like this is like my country drawer. I keep on my like microphone, all my cords and cables. We keep my Nintendo like switch there. We have my charger, some like ring lights, some cases, just ink, so just in drawer. So yeah, bestie. Now the bookshelf wall. So basically, as y'all can see, I got another picture there, bestie. Right here, we got my bag. So we got my white Lululemon bag and my 2 Marc Jacobs. So now these bags now came from the fence for $30 each, and the Lulu bag came from like the real store, bestie. Here, bestie, this was a birthday gift to myself, because them cameras are not cheap. So that was the birthday gift to myself. And we got some more pink flower bits like that, bestie. And a lot of y'all ask, girl, where do my like bookshelf came from? This came from Target for like $30, basically. I totally like love it now. Like Target bookshelf are like the best quality ever. Now right here, bestie, we keep some of my body sprays here. Body sprays, we got some Victoria's Secret body spray right here. This shelf came from like Amazon for like $10. I keep my like perfumes here, bestie. And then we got some more body sprays there and like some body sprays there. And we keep my Bath and Body Works candle. These are my favorite candles ever. This candle I'm not light until fall, but this candle, this pink like bubblegum candle, basically, I love the packaging there, and it smells just like bubblegum, basically. Right here, I keep all my Bath and Body Works body sprays, basically, because that is like my job, basically. So see, I have like a lot, basically. And then now here we keep my iPad, and we got my little affirmation notebook, and we got my fake AirPod mask. Basically, I could have been bought some like real ones, like I could buy like some dupes that does the same noise cancellation, and these are noise cancellation, and they're loud, and they came from AliExpress for $7. And right here we keep all my diary of the Wimpy Kid books, basically, because those are my books, because that is activating me. These are my favorite books ever, and a lot of y'all don't know, like, I actually like read like my Bible and stuff, so I keep my Bible there with my like books and stuff, bestie. So yeah, bestie. And bestie, now time for my closet, bestie. So my grandma, my sister, and me, like a long time ago, which yikes. My mama, my sister, my mama. So yeah, this mirror came from Walmart for only $7, girl, and I used some like command strips, basically, and put another pink flower there, bestie. So yeah, now my closet is like a little rough, so we keep some like Nair and like my razor, some sunglasses, just like my junk stuff right there, bestie. We keep my ring light, basically, I am like a content creator, so I keep my like ring light there, bestie. And this last came from Temu for $7, bestie. We got my shoes, which came from the fence. We keep my like hairspray there, and then we got some more shoes, y'all, because y'all know I love my Nike Dunks, which came off from the fence for $30, bestie. I love my shoes now. We got some more slides, bestie. We got my Uggs, besties. Then we got some more Crocs down here, bestie. I know I love Crocs. We got some cowboy boots and some house shoes, bestie. A lot of y'all don't like my closet. I put like some lights up here so the lights can turn on just for bestie. And then we got my boss bag, which I take if I'm going to like a coffee shop to like edit and stuff, bestie. And bag that I had got from like buying the bag and stuff, bestie. But now this is like my like room spray, basically. I take water and some essential oil, basically, and every Sunday when I clean my room, I just like spray that everywhere, basically. And then we got like some person, like some alcohol and some witch hazel, basically. You know, my whole underarm so much, bestie. And then we got my coasters right there, bestie. And then right here is a bunch of junk, bestie. We got my like iPad case, my perfume box, my like Halloween costume, just junk. Right here, we keep my clothes, bestie, of course. We got another tripod right there, bestie. So, yeah, bestie. And we got another, like, light right there, bestie. I keep very early because I do not be playing, bestie. And then we got some more clothing. And then we got another ring light, bestie, down here. We keep my little, like, the speaker down here. And this still, now, that's the, like, chair that came. This chair is actually very uncomfortable. And then we got my little pool slash, like, beach bag. We got some purses down here. We got some purses down here and like a little like some more like clothes and stuff. So yeah, bestie. Bestie, I hope you enjoyed this video, girl. If you did, make sure you like and subscribe and hit the bell so you'll be notified every time your girl leave posting a video. And girl, I love much, girl. And until next time, bestie. Bye, bestie.